Hi guys, welcome. And in this section, we are going to cover phase A of the architecture vision. Now, as per the conformance, what are we going to cover? We will be covering in phase A architecture vision, we will be covering the inputs, the content of the architecture repository in general, how to identify the stakeholders, explain the purpose of the business transformation readiness, risk assessment, statement of architecture work, capability assessment, architecture vision, and communication plan. And in general, we will be touching security architecture here and there. If not here, maybe in some other sections, we will be covering that in details, right? So basically, what I am saying is in architecture vision, is the first phase where after the preliminary ends, you are triggering the vision. And in this course, basically, I am not going to tell about what is what. It is more of a showing you exactly how it is applied in our scenario, whatever is applicable. So you can always come back here, go to this particular section and just go through the items. So if I, for an example, if I am showing you a stakeholder, you need to go and search in the document in this section and find out that particular item. Okay, so if I am saying about the business transformation readiness assessment, you may see that in the document because I have already discussed that in level 1 of this particular course. So you can just go back there in that course if someone has not seen the level 1, but at least if they have an idea, it should be fine. But I will give you how you will be designing those. So this is more of a project work, or this is more of a scenario based work, and I will be showing you those things. To give you a quick overview of that, let me show you what I am going to cover. So this is first thing I will be talking about: the input to the architecture section, then transformation vision, then the access readiness for the business transformation insurance. Then we will be talking about the business capability and how the statement of architecture is forming, what all content should go, the architecture vision, the architectural task, and then we will be talking about the business scenario. And when I'm saying the business scenario, you can again go back, and there is one more item in your conformance document where you can just go to this particular sections and see what all you need to read from the TOGAF level 2 viewpoint. But in general, you need to understand what this business scenario techniques are and how to apply it in your scenario. Okay, now let me go back there and show you what all I am going to cover. So some scenarios I will be showing, and based on those scenarios, at least one scenario we will be just documenting, and then we will be validating the architecture principles, and then we will go to the risk management, and finally we will see the communication plan, the content meta model artifacts, and some TOGAF templates. That's it. So that's all is what I'm going to cover in this particular section. See you in the next section.